Kia ora, my name is BJ.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Alyssa. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 13th of October.
We start the term with some health and safety news.
Year 5, 6, 7 and 8 are allowed over the road at interval and lunchtime. You must make sure you cross the road safely at the pedestrian crossing.
This means stopping at the curb, looking right, left and right again.
Eglinton Street can be rather busy, and if you want to retain the privilege, use the crossing safely.
High-vis vest, it's part of the uniform and it's so good to see nearly everyone wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember, this term you must wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
Miniball news, you have training at 12:45 on the new court today.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is horoi,
which is te reo for wash, as in me horoi que e hora. You should wash, mate.
Winton's Got Talent. It's all on from week 5 this term, and entry forms are ready in the office.
Okay, that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.